Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to apply coupons on AcBuy step by step so you can save on your purchases with ease. Before getting started, keep in mind that shipping discount coupons can only be applied to international shipping fees. To begin, log into the AcBuy website and head to your profile. Click on your profile icon, then select Wallet from the menu. Inside the Wallet section, you'll find the Coupons option. Here, you can enter your coupon code in the Redeem Coupon field and click Confirm to apply it. You'll also see a list of available coupons you can choose from. Each coupon clearly shows important details such as usage limits, eligible shipping options, supported countries, expiration dates, minimum spending requirements, and the discount amount. This section also lets you view coupons that are currently active, already used, or expired. To use a coupon, simply apply it in the coupon field and confirm. The discount will automatically be applied to your next eligible purchase. That's all there is to using coupons on AcBuy. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned to One More Guru for more helpful tips and tutorials.